Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I am going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings. And you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam, 128GB micro SD card, earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the ROVE store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is about this item, bundle up and save the hassle. This bundle includes R2-4K Pro Dashcam plus 128GB. Micro SD card ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam. Today's highly advanced and powerful 4K dashcam that records videos at the resolution of 2160p 4K at 30 fps, 1440p 2.5K at 60 fps, 30 fps, and 1080p HD f6t fps. The car camera features built-in 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, and supercapacitor ROVE Ultimate. 128GB micro SD card. Read-write speed up to 170100 MB. We recommend ROVE Ultimate Micro SD card for peace of mind, smooth and reliable operation of your dashcam. A perfect dashcam and memory card combo. This bundle purchase comes with dashcam plus 128GB memory card. Save time and hassle by choosing this ROVE Dashcam bundle today. See more product details. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is product information features and specs, compatible with vehicle type car, connectivity technology, Wi-Fi, other special features. Of the product built-in Wi-Fi video capture resolution, 1080p, mounting type suction mount control method app flash memory. Type micro SD auto part position top, are batteries included, no compatible devices car, truck, motorcycle frame rate 3060 auto part orientation driver's side feedback. Would you like to tell us about a lower price? ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam 128GB micro SD card share. Found a lower price? Let us know. Although we can't match every price reported, we'll use your feedback to ensure that our prices remain competitive. Where did you see a lower price? Fields with an asterisk are required. Price availability website, online URL, price. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There's one limitation I want you to know before you decide. A price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago. And it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.